Hello everyone. Today we will cover our remaining topics. We will try to cover our remaining topics, but I think in this class we will cover only three topics, which is network hardware, types of network, categories of computer network, and network architecture, protocols, and network topologies. Will be covered in the next video. Okay. First topic is network hardware. To make a network, we need some different types of hardware devices. These are helpful to make a network. First one is computers. Computer is a basic object or basic machine or device which is used to connect or used to make a network. Second one is cables. There are different types of cables used to connect different types of networks. Depending on the size of the network and requirement of the organization, we use different types of cables. Third one is connector. Connector is a device used to connect two or more computers. Fourth one is network interface card or NIC. Network interface card is a hardware device installed on the motherboard of your computer and used to establish a physical connection between computers. Last one is hub and switches. Hub and switches. Hub is a device used to connect multiple computers, and switch is a control unit. It is a control unit which is flow in electronic form and responsible for two conditions, which is on and off. Okay, the next topic is types of network. There are different types of networks available. The categories are mentioned in the board. First one is PAN or personal area network. Personal area network is the smallest area network which is created by us or created by users. Like if we have two mobiles and we connect them with the help of Bluetooth, then this network is called a personal area network. The range of this network may be 10 meter. Okay. Second one is LAN or local area network. Local area network is larger than PAN and it is covered by or applied by a organization. If many computers are connected and make a network, and this system installed in a particular organization or in a school, then this type of network is called local area network. Okay. Third one is campus area network or CAN. Campus area network. Campus area network is larger than LAN because it makes the campus area network built by making two or three types of lanes. Means mixing two or three types of lanes, we make a campus area network. It covers a large campus and it is larger than LAN. The fourth one is MAN or metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network is installed or covered by a city. Means if in a city all the computers are connected and make a network, then this type of network is called metropolitan area network. The range vary from 5 km to 50 km in MAN. Okay, the last network is wide area network or WAN. Wide area network is spread across the region. Across the region means it is across your state, your city, your country. So the best example of WAN is internet. Internet is spread across the world or over the worldwide. So these are the types of network. The next topic is categories of computer network. Okay, so we will discuss this topic also. The topic is categories of computer network. Two types of categories are mentioned in your book. The first one is temporary network, and the second one is permanent. Okay, the first one is temporary. When we make a network for a short period of time, then this type of network is called temporary network. And when a network is established in a particular organization or in a office building, which is established in this building for sharing files and different types of data, then this type of network is called permanent network. Okay, so these topics are covered in today's class. The remaining topics which are let me see the remaining topics. Okay, network architecture, protocols and topologies or network topologies will be covered in the upcoming class or upcoming video. Okay, so thank you.